Good morning, meteorologist Steve Krasnowski here with another weather briefing, storm scoop update. It is Thursday, February 4th. We're going to call this one business because we're going to fly through business. So I promised no talk about the weekend storm unless it showed up on the Euro on Friday. Well, this is not the European model. This is the GFS model. And this showed up this morning. There she is. Good times. Let's talk about what the GFS shows, and then maybe, just maybe, I'll line it up with what the Euro shows. And then we'll quickly talk about Friday, because that comes before the weekend, but just, this craziness. And then we're done. So, GFS also shows, and this is the Ensemble, so this is not the operational. General 3 inches throughout the Northeast. I mean, pretty flat 3 inches across the board. And then one northward, pretty sharp gradient down here. This would be for Super Bowl Sunday. Here's the probability of 3 inches or more of snow. It is a healthy 40 to 60%. So at this point, that's pretty nice to see as well. And so here is the Euro. I know I said I wasn't going to show it, but the GFS had to go and ruin the plan. So I'll say that Sunday's threat isn't dead, but it's probably only got a 40% chance of a last-second trend northwest, which could cause a moderate snowfall. And I say this at 7:30 in the morning. And if it did come northwest, we can then eye the front end. If it didn't come northwest, what we would then do is look at the middle of next week or the back end of next week, where we have next week's Arctic outbreak ahead of some pieces of energy that may bring us some snow. But because the GFS got me looking, I started looking at the European 6Z. And here we have the 6Z European operation and ensembles with a big move northwest for Sunday. Great. Here's your storm. I'm not making any prognostications until, like I said, it shows up on Friday. Because if it doesn't show up, I'm not playing the back and forth. Anyway, let's look at Friday's system. Here she is for the east. Low pressure up in Canada. Another low pressure down Oklahoma. Putting her into movement. There you go. Pretty sharp cutoff. 95, west of 95 down to the south. Mass, New Hampshire border. You're going to see some light snow. Point south, rain. Not too much, just enough to do the dampening. Pushes through. No harm, no foul. Cold air in place. This is the GFS. And this is Super Bowl Sunday. Out she goes. Everyone always wants the day after to be a holiday anyway. And here's the snow train for that Arctic breakout, right? Those 2 pieces of energy I just discussed. And then now we're out in the 200 hours and, nothing makes sense. So it's probably like a 90-degree heat wave somewhere. Anyway, interesting. That's going to be it for me today. We will do this one more time this week. Good times. Talk to you soon.